I love these cars. This is a TRD Sport. And I wanted to shut this radio off, but apparently it doesn't want to cooperate. I took this off. Black on black on black. I love it. And what I did was just pull. And those are the two. Okay, why? Just turn it off. Can you just turn off? Watch. Do it again while this thing hangs. Because it doesn't want to turn off. So I just grabbed from here and just pulled. Can't do it from the front because these legs go up into the headliner and some bracketry, and that's how you take this center console, overhead console out. So there you go. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.